I knew Ritesh Deshmukh was cool, but I didn't know he was so cool. So I think actors को बहुत ज़्यादा importance दी जाती है. I don't think इतनी importance चाहिए. You know, you don't need to talk about everything that we're doing.
Yeah.
You need to put yourself in our shoes and see. You know, shocking moment. And कब से सोच रही हूँ कि मेरा अपना एक गाना हो. And I think मिला है, but now I want more.
गुलाबी साड़ी आणि लाली लाल लाल दिसते मी भारी राजा फोटो माझा काढ.
Did you still approach for the roles?
I have never approached. I don't even know how to approach and who to approach. I don't know anybody. Whenever there's a dance sequence, they always say अंजलि को रिहर्सल करनी पड़ेगी. अंजलि तो नहीं है. अंजलि को ज़्यादा पता नहीं है. And everybody goes like, listen, look at her. She knows how to dance. And जब तक मैं सेट पे नहीं आती हूँ, they always worried कि you know what will she do? What will happen? Will she do it nicely or not? Rehearsal नहीं किया, ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया.
गुलाबी साड़ी में तू लग रही कमाल गोरी जरा मेरे संग फोटो तो निकाल.
Rejection से ज़्यादा judgment होता है. People call you bad things. People assume a lot of things. कि how is she getting work and all of that. But then
Today, the success meaning has changed for you. Ambitions has changed. Choices have changed.
I think when we were kids and we used to think and look at superstars and we used to think बड़ा घर चाहिए, मन्नत जैसा. अभी I think वो चीजें थोड़ी shift हो गई है. Because now everybody is a star.
The most embarrassing thing about me is Bollywood desperately needs more. Hi, this is Jan. You're watching me on Galata India. Today I'm in conversation with someone who is very creative, very talented, very gorgeous, presenting Anjali Anand. Hi Anjali, how have you been?
I have been good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Firstly, I want to say you congratulations. I mean, everything coming at your place, manifestation coming true. How is things happening these days?
Thank you, first of all. Things are very good. I'm smiling ear to ear.
Yeah.
And उस smile का reason है the love I'm getting from everywhere. And it's something that I've always wished for. कि ये हो and the whole world knows who I am and sees what I can do. And that's finally happening. So I'm very happy.
Right, absolutely. But at the same time, you know, there must be people who would be commenting or judging in that way कि ये तो overnight success है. ये तो you know फटाक से आ गई होगी.
Overnight 10 साल हो गए.
Exactly.
Overnight तो नहीं है.
What was your self-doubt phase that कि you battled in before coming everything to in that place?
Self-doubt तो मुझे खुद से नहीं हुआ है. I think people have tried to put me in doubt more than me, you know, putting myself in doubt. So when there are 500 people come and tell you something, you start believing it.
Good.
So I have difficult days, but I don't let it get to me. You know, I don't let that thing become bigger than who I am and what I think, and I don't let anybody else's opinion become the actual opinion of what I think of myself. So I think that I don't think I have had self-doubt. People put me in doubt, but I bounce back. I bounce back from that. Yeah.
Did that matter? मतलब how do you overcome it? The rejections होती है. How do you deal with that?
Rejection, I think rejection से ज़्यादा judgment होता है. People call you bad things. People assume a lot of things. कि how is she getting work and all of that. But then I don't ponder towards all of that negativity so much. I just believe that just focus on the positives, focus on the love. So anytime someone's saying anything negative to me, I just focus on the love and I just, you know, bring myself back.
Wow. Absolutely. But today, the success meaning has changed for you. Ambitions has changed. Choices have changed.
I think when we were kids and we used to think and look at superstars and we used to think बड़ा घर चाहिए, मन्नत जैसा. अभी I think वो चीजें थोड़ी shift हो गई है. Because now everybody is a star. True. You know, so now I just want to be away from the crowd. Now I don't want to be in the city. I don't want to be that big superstar people are running towards. Obviously, I want everybody to know me. I want everybody to love me. I want, you know, चांद तारे तोड़ लाओ सारी दुनिया पर मैं चाहूँ is happening. But अब ख्वाब थोड़ा बदल गया है कि peace चाहिए, life चाहिए. I think this profession consumes you so much that you forget to live a life and you become आप लोगों के बन जाते हो पूरी तरह. So I don't want to forget to live my life, and I want to still live my life and be who I am while I do this.
I like listening to you first thing
Oh,
first
nice.
because it gets inspired. I keep seeing your interviews
Yeah.
whenever it comes to. I was listening to one of the interviews where you said that ki, today we don't have the privileges to say no
Yeah.
sometimes. Is that the hardest truth of this industry that you can't because of the responsibilities, of course?
Yeah. But it's not hard.
Yeah.
Not everybody who does their job, I'm sure you don't like your job every day. Some days
Yeah.
you have to do it because you have to do it.
Yeah.
So I think actors को बहुत ज़्यादा importance दी जाती है.
Hmm.
I don't think इतनी importance चाहिए. You don't need to talk about everything that we're doing.
Yeah.
You need to put yourself in our shoes and see. Like I'm sure you come to work some days and you're like, today I didn't want to work at all. But you have to do it. You
Yeah.
have a salary coming
Yeah.
in. We're all doing it for our
money.
for our everyday expenses and our responsibilities and everything. So वैसे ही तो actors भी करते हैं ना.
Correct.
तो हमको क्यों अलग? Just because we are in the public eye, why should we be different?
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
some days we also have to go to work and be like, okay, I didn't want to do this, but it's okay, I'm doing it. But it's not like, but मुझे ऐसे कभी feel नहीं हुआ that I didn't want to do it. I've never felt that way. I've always felt I've taken it as a challenge that okay, this is something that maybe doesn't align with me. How can I make this mine?
True.
I've always done that because I don't think any work has ever come and I've been like, I don't want to do it. That's never happened.
Wow. But today, if I talk about Anjali Anand, what is one non-negotiable and negotiable when you go through the scripts or to a director or a casting director?
I think I should just have enough meat in the character to be able to play with it, to be able to make it mine. If I'm not having fun reading the character, I don't care what production house, what this, what that. If I'm having fun reading the character, I'll do it. If I'm not having fun reading the character, I will not do it. It's as simple as that. I have to have fun. It's about me.
Right? But when Dhamal 4 came to you, the song came to you, which you were manifesting a long time. Tell me about it. What was your first reaction? किसको सबसे पहले call घुमाया था?
I don't remember कि मुझे गाना कब पता चला. I think it was a call. Someone called me and said कि we are doing songs with you. You know. I think Ashok ji थे and I had called. He's one of the producers and he told me, बेटा अभी तो आपके साथ 2 गाने भी करने हैं. I was like, what? I don't even remember who I called first after that, but I think one of my best friends, I called him and I said, listen, they're planning to do songs with me, and it was just shocking moment, and it's कब से सोच रही हूँ कि मेरा अपना एक गाना हो, and I think मिला है, but now I want more. Now I want more. Now I want full dancing number. I want full, yeah.
Do you still approach for the roles?
I have never approached. I don't even know how to approach and who to approach. I don't know anybody. I don't know how I still get work.
Yeah.
But people have told me you should call this person, you should message this person. But मुझसे नहीं होता. I don't know what to say. मैं क्या बोलूँ कि hello, मैं अंजलि आनंद हूँ. I don't know what to say. But whatever has happened, it's happened on its own, and I just hope it just keeps happening that way.
Is there any role you wanted to do it at your place that couldn't make it, something like that?
ऐसा तो कुछ है नहीं that I मतलब जो मुझे करना था और नहीं मिला or something like that. वो तो मतलब ना ऐसा तो कुछ हुआ नहीं है. But there are many things that I want to do. I want to work with so many people. I want to be a part of every narrative. I want to be able to say every story and as many characters as I can. Yeah.
Tell me, when you were getting the dance things and all, did they have seen your this Jhalla performances on your Instagram which went viral?
तो हमेशा ऐसे होता है whenever there's a dance sequence, they always say अंजलि को rehearsal करनी पड़ेगी. अंजलि तो नहीं है, अंजलि को ज़्यादा पता नहीं है. And everybody goes like, listen, look at her, she knows how to dance. And जब तक मैं set पे नहीं आती हूँ, they always worried कि what will she do, what will happen, will she do it nicely or not, rehearsal नहीं किया है, ये नहीं किया है, वो नहीं किया है. So once they see me perform, I think all of that goes away. So I love seeing that. I love
seeing you and dance. And I remember once मैं देख कर डांस सीख रही थी आपके गाने को pause लगाकर हमारी घर पे शादी थी.
Nice.
And we were learning from your
Which
dance.
song was this?
Jhalla.
Oh wow, that is Harsh's choreography. You would love it.
Yeah, I loved it. But at this point, when you were on sets, there were Ajay sir, Arshad Varsi, Javed Zafri, and others. Ritesh sir. सबसे बड़ा master classes क्या हुआ था? What did you learn from them?
I think I always say this one thing, कि जब आप इतने बड़े लोगों के साथ काम करते हो, you come to know why they are where they are because of how hardworking and how good they are at what they do. So I think the master class is just to keep going. They are so hardworking. They don't crib. They're just doing their job effortlessly, running their houses, taking care of their families and everything. it is just so wonderful to see them in the
Hmm.
flesh and see how they operate and how they are with people, and you know, it is just wonderful to see them. Even Indu ji,
Yeah.
at this age, to be that active, oh my god, I hope I'm even 2% of who he is, you know, at that age. And I'm like,
But
beauty.
do you have any early memories या पहले के टाइम के धमाल के बारे में कुछ ideas या फिर
I have to been reciting dialogues from that first film since the first film came out. I was in school
Yeah,
when the
same.
first thing came out. But तब से लेके अब तक, I think that movie is a cult film.
Yeah.
और उनके dialogue तो हम सब आज तक बोलते हैं. So I
Correct.
don't think that's ever going anywhere.
Correct, absolutely.
Yeah.
हमारा एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग गेम है
Hmm.
जिसके साथ जो मैं आपके साथ खेलूंगी
Hmm.
और फिर हम रैप करेंगे इसको.
Yes.
Finish the sentence with Anjali Anand.
Okay.
I feel most confident when
I'm comfortable.
I instantly judge people who.
I judge everybody.
Good. The most embarrassing thing about me is.
Late night dancing. Yeah.
That's not embarrassing.
It
Everyone
can
knows.
get embarrassing when I'm lying down here and dancing.
I will never say no to.
A good part. Yeah.
Okay. I wish people knew that
I love mountains.
one thing I'm still scared of.
Losing people I love.
Bollywood desperately needs more.
Of me.
Success for me means
Peace and freedom.
Anjali Anand finally reveals.
I finally reveal that this is not the last of me. This is just the beginning of me.
Cool. The one Bollywood actor who surprised me the most is.
I knew Ritesh Deshmukh was cool, but I didn't know he was so cool.
Wow.
Yeah.
The role I dream of playing is.
Lady Devdas.
Wow. The biggest myth about me is.
That I'm a very intimidating person. No, I'm a pookie.
सबको डर लगता है आपसे बात करने में.
है
मैंने
ना?
ये बहुत सुना है कि यार मुझे पता नहीं इससे डर लगता है.
मैं बैंड बजा देती हूँ ना लोगों की इसलिए. But नहीं. But I'm real.
Yeah, I
I'm
know.
real. Yeah.
If I weren't an actor, I would be
Nothing.
dancer.
No.
No, nothing. Okay.
I would be a performer. Yeah.
Okay. My comfort food is.
Biryani.
The best compliment I have ever received is.
That the things that you've gone through, you could be the biggest in the world, but you still choose to operate with love.
If I could work with any director tomorrow, it would be.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
One habit I really want to change is.
Stop trusting people.
My guilty pleasure.
Guilty pleasure. Very cringy Bollywood songs.
तो आपके फीड पे भी ऐसा आता है?
क्या?
Cringy songs. कभी आता है?
हाँ, of course.
मतलब आप सुनते हो?
Of course. मैं तो सामने से सुनती हूँ. जब तक रहेगा समोसे में आलू, all of that is my jam.
Yeah. Okay. If my life had a title, it would be.
Love.
The best advice I have ever received is.
एक कान से सुनो, एक कान से निकाल दो.
किसने बोला था ये?
सब बोलते.
Before every shoot, I always.
Pray to my dad.
The one thing that instantly makes my day is.
A good song. If my day starts with a good song, I think, yeah, then the day का vibe अच्छा set हो जाता है.
In 5 years, I hope people remember me as.
The richest, most coolest actor they know. Richest because I want to give my mother a lot.
You have 5 directors in your list to collaborate with.
All of them. I don't want any one, two. I want new directors. I want old directors. All of them. There is no कि इनके साथ पहले काम करना है, इनके साथ बाद में. नहीं, मुझे सबके साथ काम करना है. There is no list. I don't have a list. Nor of actors, nor of directors. I want to work with everybody.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Any lesson you learned from co-stars and you're keeping it in your head?
I think how to be grounded and how to be humble. And I think they all have great family lives. And I think that is something that I have not reached, where I have not reached yet. So I would look forward to do that as well.
Wow. Before going, if you want to say something to your audience, please go ahead and speak.
I would just say that I hope आप सबने देखी है धमाल 4. नहीं देखी है तो देखिए, अभी भी थिएटर्स में है. 100 करोड़ कमा चुकी है. एंड आई होप आप लोगों को मेरा काम अच्छा लगे. एंड आई होप आपके प्यार की वजह से मुझे और काम मिले. एंड हाँ, एंड आई होप you all have love for me, and I will keep giving love right back.
You're killing it, by the way.
Thank
People
you.
are loving you. I've
Yay.
seen the comments. There are comments full of love for
Yes,
you.
yes.
Yeah.
I love that.
So keep going it, keep doing
वो भी
it.
प्यारी सी.
Pookie ho aap. Thank you so much for talking to me, Anjali. It was
Thank
such a
you.
lovely, sweet conversation.
Thank you
with
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.